So this cluster, military intelligence, this is how you'll identify them. So they are busy right now publishing articles where they're claiming Chamisa has no structures. Chamisa has failed because he didn't put structures. He was selfish. He didn't want to put Welshmen and BT and all that military nonsense. Let me tell you, Zimbabweans, very clearly, I've never been in politics. I've never held a party card. Rekwana Chamisa or Rekuzana. Stuff that I've read, stuff that I demonstrate to you right now. Those who are creating this content, claiming Chamisa has failed because of strategies, or excuse me, of structures, they are trying to pollute the Zimbabwean people. All those articles, every media house that has published those articles, they are working with the military intelligence. Any fool knows that. Any fool can see that. If there's any leader, any political leader in his Zimbabwean history who has done extremely well to wage war against Mnangagwa so successfully until Mnangagwa is now even after his shoes, it's Nelson Chamisa. Tsvagirai ana do na Chamisa, ana kushika pa Chamisa pa. Tsvagirai akatengesa struggle 2010, 2011, 2014. I met Tsvagirai myself, and I did a press conference in the Kamu interviewer directly. Akatengesa struggle. So those who claim that Tsvagirai was like this, no, Tsvagirai akatengesa. But Nkoma now yanonzi Chamisa hana kutengesa struggle. He's an upgrade of Tsvagirai. I'm not saying this because, and let me tell you, I don't support Chamisa. I actually criticize him so many times. I've done it multiple times. I mean, if someone was to say, look, no, I don't. And I've even made it clear many mistakes that Chamisa has made, including making Fadzai Mahere spokesperson wake. I've said it before. Those are some of those things that I've highlighted. But one thing that Chamisa has done is to stand strong. And he's done extremely well in Komanoi. Far much better than any political leader in history. This technique of throwing verses is the most successful method of confusing and of managing, of defeating the enemy, which I myself have also deployed in my own journalism for multiple years. I mean, look, people saw me just in August last year. I confused a presidential candidate of Zambia. If the former foreign affairs minister of Zambia, I managed his brain with Bible verses. For a whole month, he was on video, on television, national television, confessing this, admitting that he was managed by an investigative journalist using Bible verses. Ndakamu exposer, background, mulusako. All the work that he was doing for Mnangagwa using Bible verses. So you see if you see these type of articles that are so unbalanced, so empty, saying, hey, Chamisa doesn't have churches, hey, Chamisa spends time quoting Bible, and those articles don't go beyond to analyze what Chamisa has achieved, to analyze what journalists have achieved using those Bible verses, investigative journalists, including on the gold mafia. Those filthy people writing those articles, Zimbabweans, one day you need to take them to court and get them prosecuted. I'm telling you, you have the power. You must get all. If you suffered and you are suffering because of these military intelligence engineered, military intelligence sponsored journalists who are writing these articles to demoralize the Zimbabwean people, and you are losing money or you are failing to get your compensation, prosecute such journalists, prosecute such media houses, get your money. Musa Shandisema Zimbabweans, the time has come for you not ever again to be taken advantage of by this filthy lizard called Mnangagwa.